I just got this toilet paper holder with a shelf and a built-in compartment. And let me tell you, I am so excited about it because in my bathroom, there's a little like separate area for the toilet, and it just has the toilet and it's a small little room. And there's no shelves in there or anything like that. So I bought this because I could keep my feminine products in there and that they would be discreet. And I could also, there's a shelf you could put your phone or whatever else you have in the bathroom for whatever reason, and you could just have it there. So it comes with all the hardware you need to mount it. And the other thing that I really was excited about, I wasn't sure until I bought it to know for sure, but we buy the Costco toilet paper, which is the Big Daddy rolls. And so it fits a Big Daddy roll. That is awesome. And so it just goes like this and it mounts underneath just like that. And then you mount it on the wall. And I think it looks good. It's sleek. And it fits a lot of stuff in here. You could use it for flushable wipes is what they have in the description, but you could really put anything that you need to store in your bathroom that you don't necessarily want out in the open. So super excited to get this installed. Like I said, it has all the hardware with it. It comes with directions. Should be pretty easy. I'm super excited about this. Definitely check it out.